You go again. Get our card.
Go back for it, go again.
I'm just losing all over the place.
She got to go back for it, go again.
1, 2, 3,
4.
4. Uh-oh. You gotta go all the way back. Now you get to pick another one. You gotta pick a card again.
You get to go again! And look at all your avids!
You get to go ahead 2 and go again.
Two
Do
and
2.
go again. You're
There
going
you
to
go.
pass me up again.
1, 2. Now go again.
Now you get to go.
3 and go again.
3 and
and
go
go
again. You're passing me. SJ, I thought you were on my side.
One more. 3. You get to go again.
No.
That just there.
Now you get
Okay.
to go again.
2.
2.
Is it just 2? Is there any good? All right, we're just at 2. Oh, thank goodness. I can go
She's
now.
right here. Here's Savannah. 1, 2. Do it again. You gotta go 2.
Go 2. 1.
1, 2.
There we go. All right. Finally, it's my turn. You were just a queen. I get to move ahead 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4.
She's tied up with you.
Now I can hang out with SJ for a while. Look at her pile of... Let's see. Let's get you a nice little pile going.
Here's the banana.
Your turn, SJ.
Three puzzles.
How many is that?
3. Go right there.
3.